The Book of the Damned, by Charles Hoyfort, Chapter 6d. Falls of salt have occurred often. They have been avoided by scientific writers, because of the dictum that only water and not substances held in solution can be raised by evaporation. However, falls of salty water have received attention from Dalton and others, and have been attributed to whirlwinds from the sea. This is reasonably contested, quasi-reasonably, as to places not far from the sea. But the fall of salt that occurred high in the mountains of Switzerland, we could have predicted that that datum could be found somewhere. Let anything be explained in local terms of the coast of England, but also has it occurred high in the mountains of Switzerland. Large crystals of salt fell in a hailstorm, August 20, 1870, in Switzerland. The orthodox explanation is a crime. Whoever made it should have had his fingerprints taken. We are told, Annual Record of Science, 1872, that these objects of salt came over the Mediterranean from some part of Africa, or the hypnosis of the conventional, provided it be glib. One reads such an assertion, and provided it be suave and brief and conventional, one seldom questions, or thinks very strange, and then forgets. One has an impression from geography lessons. Mediterranean not more than 3 inches wide, on the map, Switzerland only a few more inches away. These sizable masses of salt are described in the American Journal of Science, Series 3, Volume 3, page 239, as essentially imperfect cubic crystals of common salt. As to occurrence with hail, that can in 1, or 10, or 20 instances be called a coincidence. Another datum. Extraordinary year 1883. London Times, December 25, 1883. Translation from a Turkish newspaper. A substance that fell at Scutari, December 2, 1883, described as an unknown substance, in particles, or flakes, like snow. It was found to be saltish to the taste, and to dissolve readily in water. Miscellaneous. Black capillary matter, that fell, November 16, 1857, at Charleston, South Carolina. American Journal of Science, Series 2, Volume 31, page 459. Fall of small, friable, vesicular masses, from the size of a pea to size of a walnut, at Lobau, January 18, 1835. Report of the British Association, 1860, page 85. Objects that fell at Peshawar, India, June 1893, during a storm. Substance that looked like crystallized niter, and that tasted like sugar. Nature, July 13, 1893.